Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be walking through with you the step-by-step process of importing a number into VAPI using Vonage. This is important because if you want your VAPI agent to actually take inbound calls, make outbound calls, or even send text messages for things like reminders, we're going to need to purchase a phone number from a cloud communications platform like Vonage. So the first thing we're going to want to do is head over to a new tab, type in Vonage Communication APIs. Click on this link here, Communication APIs. From here, we'll hit Try It Free. And now we'll be met with a sign up page where we have to fill out all this information. Once we've filled out all the information, let's hit Create My Free Account. And now we'll be met with a page where we have to verify our email. So let's go do that quickly. In my inbox here, I'm just going to hit Verify New Email Address. And now we'll be met with a page where we have to verify our phone number as the last step. So now I'm just going to fill out the verification code that was sent to me, and then I'm just going to hit verify. Once we've been verified, we will now see that we're in the Vonage API dashboard. Here you'll be given €1 worth of free credit. I've obviously used a little bit, but you'll also be given a free phone number as well. So if you head over to your numbers, this number right here will be the free phone number that you have. But if you want to buy a phone number for your business, then let's just head over to buy numbers. You'll need to upgrade your account to unlock the ability to buy any virtual number. And then here is where we'll get to choose what number we want. So for country, we can just pick the country that we're from. We can do something like the UK or US, but for my case, I'm from Canada, so I'll just choose Canada. For features, we'll just do SMS, voice, and MMS. We'll pick all of them. For type, we'll leave it as any. And then now to pick the options that are within our area code, we'll hit contains, and then we'll hit starts with. We'll hit 1 to represent the international code here, and then we'll type in the area code that we want. So for example, if I just want to do a 613 area code, I'll type 1613, hit search, and then now we have all the options of phone numbers that start with the area code of 613. We can see we have up to like 10 pages here. So we have tons of phone numbers that we can choose from. Again, just to fit your area code, you'll just need to change the first 3 numbers of whatever you want. Once we've successfully purchased a Vonage number, we'll just head over back to the menu. And now we'll need 2 key values, which is our API key here, and then our API secret here. So now we'll head over back to the VAPI dashboard. We'll hit phone numbers, import. We'll select Vonage for API key. We'll just hit the copy button here, head back, hit paste. And then for our secret, we'll hit copy here, head back to our dashboard, and then hit paste here. And then finally, we'll just type in the phone number. So we'll go to your numbers, hit copy here, head back to the dashboard, then hit paste. For our label, we'll just name it Vonage number. Now we'll hit import. Now that we've successfully imported our Vonage number, let's just attach an assistant to it. So I'm just going to attach the Vonage test assistant that I've made. If we head over to assistants, this is just the first message that I have attached to it, where it will say hello there, just making sure you properly imported your Vonage number. So now let me just call it to make sure it works properly.
Hello there, just making sure you properly imported your Vonage number.
Okay, great, thank you. Alright, so that's great. We successfully imported our Vonage number. Now we can build out our inbound voice agents and have them sit on this number to take our calls for us. Or if we want to have our agents be on this number to outreach our customers when they pick up, we can also do that as well. So that's it for this video. Hopefully I have showed you guys a quick and easy way to import numbers into VAPI. If you guys like this video as well as some of my other videos, it would be awesome if you could like and subscribe to support the channel.